This is the idea that people have, is like a full main street. You got businesses. It's like this Norman Rockwellish view of what rural should be. Meanwhile, our towns don't look like that now, because like I lived in Hancock, and there was the boarded up building where the bank used to be. There was a boarded up building where the apothecary / hardware store used to be. And it's really easy to think that the small town is dying when you drive through and see shuttered buildings. But I will tell you, do not use that as an artifact for decline. That just is a shift in the economy. And I want to remind you that every time you closed a grocery store or a hardware store in a small town, there's one that closed in Fargo too. There's one that closed in Grand Forks too. This economic restructuring is not unique to rural. It's called globalization. Globalization impacts everybody and everywhere. What differentiates how globalization impacts your place is social capital. How well do your people get along and work together to improve and better your community?